there's a lot going on here, but it'll make sense here in a second. So I'm going to be doing attempting a secret feather swirl, and the fragrance I'm using is supposed to be well behaved, but sometimes things don't happen because I just made a soap that was supposed to be well behaved, and the fragrance and the first one rice, so I added it a little bit differently and it accelerated. So we'll see how this one goes. Okay, so my plan is to do kind of a wintry scene, and I want to try to do kind of a semblance of an evergreen tree, actually 2 evergreen trees, and I'm going to be doing it upside down, so to speak, so that when I cut them, the top will be, the bottom will be the top of the soap. So I am going to be using wild cranberry and aspen. This is brambleberry, and it says it behaves well in cold process. I've tested it, but I haven't tested it in a way that's like, oh, this is fluid or not. So we'll see how that goes. It's not supposed to discolor any. I'm going to be using activated charcoal as the base. And for the trees, I've got white, which is winter white, mica from Nurture Soap, and then I've got 3 greens. I have Martini Olive from Wholesale Supplies Plus, Alpine Green from Nurture, and Evergreen Mica from Brambleberry. And then I have Bronze Brown as the trunk. That'll be the very last color. And here, right there, that one's from Nurture. And then I have 2 of these. These are mica in oil. This is an evergreen mica. This one is Wholesale Supplies Plus, and this is super pearly white from Brambleberry. So that's a whole bunch of things right there. Okay, my goal is to also, I have these little star embeds that I want to put one right in the middle of each one, and then I have some little leftover bits that I want to try to put in as a Ciaglia method, so it'll be blended up. The problem is I don't want to blend up the batter too much, so it sets up too fast. I'm really hoping that that's not an issue. We'll find out. My plan here is I'm going to do 1 loaf at a time. So I'm really kind of making 2 soaps instead of doing everything all at once. I'm going to do 1 at a time just to kind of see how things behave, and then see if I can make any adjustments for the second one, and then kind of go from there. So I think I'm ready to go. So let's go ahead and get started.